Okay, instructor, this is Fernando Gonzalez, and right now I will show you my Enhancement 9 for this week. Okay, all these images are from the image table in the database. The database cell image path. But I will show you the new functionality. Okay, as you can see, the image thumbnails is scaling to maybe 70 more from this original width and height, and then using the transform scale from CSS. Let me show you the width tool. No errors or contrast errors. These are all errors or advantages maybe are because the text is generic, the alternative text for the image. Okay, let's see the CSS and local HTML and maybe CSS code. No liberties, no errors in HTML, and no errors in CSS. Now let's see that this new view is fully responsive. I don't know why it's showing that. Okay. As you can see, a new title or heading is appearing in this part of the page, but it's hidden when the screen is larger. But when the screen is smaller, it's appearing. And the transform property from CSS don't work in the screens. Okay, I suppose that is all for the review, and now I will show you my code. I will show you the new function that I have created for displaying the thumbnails. Okay, this is one. With the vehicle thumbnails is a function name. This is a view. This is a controller for the vehicle, the vehicle's controller. Okay. Display vehicle is a case statement, and when I give the ID, I am calling the function from the uploads model. Like to let, well, you can see the SQL query. And from my vehicle controller, well, I think that there is now something new, I suppose. And well, this is a uploads model for the image. I didn't show you the upload page view. I will show you. Okay, as you can see, I can select a vehicle, and this input file works. I have shared, uploaded all the images, so I won't upload the image again. I need to style this list, and well, these are the buttons for deleting the image. Let's see the image table. Okay, this is a new table we did it in this week, where all the path for the image are placed. Placed. And finally, I will show you that uh, okay, I will show you that all these images are thumbnail. Sorry. Okay, I click this image. As you can see, it's showing me the in the name the TN because it's a thumbnail. I will select another image. Okay, this thing, and well, that is all.